So I've built 50 AI-powered workflows that analyze Google Ads accounts automatically. I use Claude AI connected directly to the Google Ads API, and it's an MCP integration. So basically the AI reads your account data in real time and it runs 50 different audits every week. So here's the Google Sheet that I've done. It has 10 categories: cost optimization, performance monitoring, creative and copy, reporting and intelligence, competitive intelligence, campaign structure, targeting and scheduling, and then forecasting and planning, automation and scripts, and e-commerce specific for e-commerces. So all of these are AI workflows that I built into a dashboard here. So before I show you all of the dashboard, we need to understand these AI workflows and what they do. Here, for example, we have cost optimization. It's search, the capability, it's search term mining plus auto negative keywords. It pulls search term reports daily, identifies terms that spent over $50 with zero conversion. Of course, the 50 here is customizable. Generates a negative keyword list for review and approval. And then we have budget anomaly detection. We have copy and creative. So we have a lot of workflows, but let me show you here how it works in real life. So here I wanted to do an overview where we can find all of the main KPIs here and the wasted spend and a summary of the account and the account's performance in general and what are the problems, the main issues for this account, the things that we need to fix as soon as possible. So I wanted the page here to be really like a summary, and it doesn't have any fluff, and everything that you will read here, it's really insightful. So for example, for this account, it's a SaaS company, so it's a B2B business, and it has three main issues. It has around 1800 per month lost to zero conversion search terms, and we can find this here also, wasted spend. So we have 94 search terms triggered your ads, but none of them resulted in a free trial sign up or demo request, the conversion of this account. So this budget or this cost went to clicks from people searching for free tools, open source alternatives, do yourself tutorials, and it's fixable by adding negative keywords basically. So everything is well explained here, all of the issues, and it's also clickable. You can click and get more details here. But yeah, we have here the potential savings. If we fix this, we're gonna save 22k per year. If we fix this, we're gonna save 3.6. We're gonna fix this, we're gonna save 500, etc, etc. So the problems here, we have landing page mismatch on 3 ad groups. We have $300 dollars per month lost to campaign cannibalization, and we have the zero conversion search terms. And then you have recommended action plan here, and what you do today, this week, and this month, and you can export this to Asana or Notion or your project management platform. And then we have the projected impact after all fixes. So here, this page, it's really a summary of all of the workflows that we have here, all of the tabs. We have the account health score here also, we will dig deeper later, the priority actions and all of the active alerts that we have. So yeah, let's start with cost optimization here. We have this first workflow, which is search term mining and auto negative keywords. It pulls search term reports daily, identifies terms that spent over $50 with zero conversions, generates a negative keyword list for review and approval. So we have here 94 zero conversion terms, and we have top 4 high spend terms diagnosed in details here. So we have free keyword code generator, for example. We have the keyword, we have their statistics, and then we have the diagnosis and the recommended action again for all of the other keywords. You also have a list of the negative keywords recommendations and the total estimated monthly savings if we add those keywords to the negative keywords. And then we have budget anomaly detection here if we have a CPA that spiked over the number that we want. And then we have also campaign cannibalization detection. It basically detects if we have multiple campaigns that are competing for the same keywords, and it identifies internal bidding wars if we have bidding wars. This is smart bidding. So smart bidding causes them to bid against each other. Again, this dashboard is really the product of what happened to Google Ads in Q4 2026 and Q1 2025, sorry, and Q1 2026. And so basically Google is pushing broad keywords more and more, and it's also pushing the smart bidding. So a normal human can't really do all of this work by their own. We need AI to help us, especially with all of this Google algorithm changes. So we have campaign cannibalization detection here, and then we have all of the keywords that are competing in the same campaigns. We have recommended action and the current structure and the recommended structure, expected impact, and everything is so detailed. Then we have performance monitoring. Here we have all of the performance workflows. We have all of the, for example, keywords with a quality score that's below 6, for example. So we detect all of these keywords because their ad relevance, the landing page, and the expected CTR are, for example, below average. We need to do something, otherwise it's just gonna consume the budget. So we have all of the keywords here. We have day-over-day performance briefing as well. Every morning, summary of what changed, why, and what to fix. Spend up 12%, conversion down 8%. I mean, we need to understand, for example, the latest insight here, QR code keywords leads with 58 conversions at $28 CPA. So it's the best performer by volume and efficiency. And then we have also dashboard conversions versus spend, and the daily one here. We can know that we have in this day the CPA really spiked. We have the best days and the worst days. And then we have also conversion tracking audit, where it validates entire conversion setup, finds broken tags, duplicate conversions, etc. So you'll have like a list, landing page, health monitor. This is also amazing. It basically scans all of the landing page, checks the speed, the mobile responsiveness, broken links, forms, and it gives you like if we have a mismatch or not, if we have a good status or not. And then we have ad disapproval alerts as well. We have budget pacing monitor. It's really complete. We have CPA and return on ad spend drift alerts, and we also have the CPA trend here. For creative and copy, this is really interesting. We have ad copy RSA generation, so we can generate more than 20 responsive search ad headlines and description variations per ad group. Here we have the ad group performance data, and we know that we have these great ad groups here with great CTRs. They are top. We have good, we have okay, and then we have low and needs work. The ones that are low and the ones that need work, they have a very low CTR here, so we need to change the headlines and descriptions. So the AI generates here some suggestions for headlines and descriptions. You can copy them, you can export them. It's really amazing. You can also change them. We also have ad extension and asset optimization, and a lot of suggestions for the site links, for the callouts, for structured snippets, and then you have the estimated impact also on CTR. And then we have ad fatigue detection also, which ads are fatigued, and then you can always send all of this to your project management tool. Landing page copy optimization again. Here, for example, it analyzes the landing page against ad copy for message match, suggests rewrites to improve relevance and quality score. Here we have all of them. They have excellent match, which is great. And we have dynamic headline personalization, etc., etc. Also, competitor ad copy analysis. You can actually integrate this to your SEMrush, and you have more data about, or your any other tool that you're using, and you will have more data about competitors. And then we have reporting here. So we have automated weekly performance report. We need that, and we need to connect it with our GA4 account, Google Search Console, for example, to put data automatically and get a clean formatted report with trends, insights, and action items. And it's sent Monday morning, for example. By the way, we can personalize all of this. Like, we will find this here. We can actually send the reports by notifications, whether we want email, Slack, Telegram, SMS. They are always in the dashboard, so we can configure that. And so yeah, we have, for example, here weekly performance report and the key findings. April 7 CPA spiked to $90.75, only 2 conversions. April 2 was the strongest, and then we have weekend cap, and then cross-platform attribution report. Here I only have Google Ads connected, but you can connect GA4, Search Console, CRM, and have all of the data, the complete data here. And executive dashboard, this is the summary for executive with estimated revenue and more like KPIs for C-level summary. And then we also have conversion path analysis, what happened after they saw for example, we have the ad impression here, and then the clicks, and then the conversion, and then appointment booked, and all of this. We can always have this data if we connect the CRM, our CRM. So yeah, custom alert escalation system here, and then of course we have competitive intel. This is all about our competitors, who are our competitors, what are the keywords that they're using, and the impression share by campaigns, of course. And you always have explanations here, and then competitor keyword gap analysis. And then, for example, here the impression share is 28%, and then we can increase it to 50%, and therefore we'll increase the number of clicks and the number of conversions. So how we do that? And of course, you can do a competitor analysis on your tool. For example, here, Ahref. If you are using that tool, then you can connect it and have more complete data. Otherwise, the AI can also go online and do the research. Market share tracking, and then you can see, for example, the UK market here, US market, global, etc. And then we have campaign structure. So this is like the full campaign structure, and this is the score for 52 out of 100, and then it gives you like the score per let's say level: campaign structure, keyword management, ad creative, extensions, etc. And then you have current campaign architecture. You can export this to CSV, of course, but you have, for example, overlap status. You have a lot of insights here. Campaign structure recommendation. It's basically very complete and very personalized to your business and your account. We have the search query intent clustering. For example, if our keywords are more like transactional, emergency, brand specific, store, shopping, informational, non-English. If it's transactional, that's good. This is really high value. But then we also have 15% and 5% here coming to waste. So we need to understand our keywords. And then you can always create tasks from all of these priority actions. We have performance max asset group analysis as well. It analyzes all of your performance max campaigns. And then we have also targeting insights here, like, for example, hour-based hourly performance. Here we know that 1 p.m. is the peak hour, 7 a.m. is the dead zone, and then we have the best days, Tuesday and Wednesday, where the CPA was great. And then we have also geographic performance analysis per country. And then we have device performance optimization as well, and audience segment discovery. If we want like new audiences, what are these audiences that we're going to target? And then demographic target analysis as well. We know that 25-34 and 25-44 is the best audience here, so we increase bits. For this, we have a gender split. We have top age, top income, and device. And then we have forecasting. I love forecasting. So we imagine different scenarios here for the return on ad spend. For example, if we grow 20%, the budget by 20%. So this is what's going to happen: the clicks, the estimated conversion, CPA, revenue, and return on ad spend. And then if we, for example, cut by 40% on grow by 50%, we have all of the predictions here. So the AI here really predicts the data based on Google Ads data and Google Ads auctions. And you have each scenario model's expected performance based on diminishing marginal returns in Google Ads auctions. And then we explain again. And then we have seasonal trend prediction, winter, fall, summer, spring. And the budget allocation optimization, etc. And then we have also this: if we have A/B tests, so what are the results of our A/B testing, of our A/B tests? And then we have new campaign launch planning. And then we have automation, of course. So here we can find custom Google Ads script generation that you can use. These are really specific to your account, so it's not really the same for each account. All of this is really personalized per account, so it's not generic templates. For example, we have negative keyword auto adder, we have budget pacing alert, we have CPA cap enforcer, automated rules builder also here. For example, if keyword CPA is greater than $60 and clicks are greater than 10 in the last 14 days, then pause that keyword, then increase the bid. For example, if keyword CPA is not greater than $25, for example, and conversions, etc., etc. So you can actually do this, all of these automations. And yeah, you have also multi-step optimization workflows, Google Ads to CRM data pipeline, etc., etc. It's really, really complete. And then you can integrate it with all of the accounts, marketing accounts that you use. And for now, I have these integrations, but I'm gonna add more. It depends on each client's situation. So yeah, this is the dashboard, and it's been really, really so insightful and helpful for me, and it cut, I don't know, like 80% of the work for Google Ads, because all what's left is doing the optimizations and the experiments, and I don't want to give the AI the full control here. It's still a human in the loop. So if you really want to test this, I can actually connect your account for free and show you this demo on your actual account and your actual and real data. And yeah, just contact me and we'll discuss this.